In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to embed creative fonts into a PowerPoint presentation. This way, when you share that presentation via email or a shared link, the fonts will then look correct on the other person's screen. First, let's go ahead and open up PowerPoint. After PowerPoint opens up, let's select the presentation that you want to have the creative fonts embedded. I'm going to pick the one called Classroom Technology. As you can see, when the presentation opens up, I've used a creative font called Cooper Black. And if the other party doesn't have Cooper Black, then it's going to come across as like Times Roman or Arial or whatever their default font is. So we're going to embed this font in the presentation. It's very simple. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to File, come down to Options. This is going to give you a bunch of classifications for options for PowerPoint. We're really concerned with the Save option here. So we're going to click on Save. Once we click on Save, we're going to scroll down. We're looking for the Preserve Fidelity when sharing this presentation. Do make sure that your presentation you want to embed the fonts is listed in that drop-down. If you happen to be working on more than one presentation, there might be more than one in the drop-down, but make sure you pick the correct one. Next, we're going to select Embed Fonts in the file. There's two options at this point. Embed only the characters used in the presentation, reduces the file size, but it only sends the font characters that were sent in the presentation. They can't do any editing with that font. So it's kind of a small file size, but also at the same time gets them the embedded font. The second option is embed all characters, and what that does, that embeds the entire font set into the presentation. So if you've made a grammar mistake or a spelling mistake, then they can go ahead and make changes and edit with that exact font. Right now, to save file size, we're going to select embed only the characters used in the presentation. Once we select that, we select OK. We go up to Save, click on File, and Close. Now you've embedded the fonts into your presentation to travel with it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching.